I wish I took this earlier, you know, especially like in my first year, because some of the stuff I learned has kind of like opened my eyes out to the mistakes that I normally make, and how I could just generally go about in my life in a better way. My first time going to this course was, I felt a bit weird about it. Like, there were just people out there, you know, in the group, they were sharing, you know, and I was a bit shy and nervous. So I thought maybe I should just take a step back and just spectate. But going through this, I kind of just got stuck into it. You know, I thought it's just like one moment I can take. I won't have this opportunity again. You know, one of the things that I've learned is that I don't actually listen when people talk. Normally, I used to think I was listening, and I thought I was a good listener, but I just found out that I was just listening to myself, and I wasn't listening to people. And I don't live in the present. I live in the past. I live in my head. You know, I go about through my emotions. This course has taught me to be present to this one moment, this one opportunity that I have right now, and to give it my all. Don't try, just do it.